Hey Alberta, thank you for tuning in. Our next video is about new Alberta Driving Rules 2026, license, fines, and vehicle updates. Big changes are coming to Alberta drivers in 2026. From license renewals to vehicle inspection rules, and even new penalties on the road. If you drive in Alberta, you need to know these updates before January hits, because missing one could cost you money, points, or even your license. In this video, we'll break down every confirmed and expected change for 2026, what's official, what's proposed, and how it affects you behind the wheel. So buckle up, Alberta. Let's get into the road changes that start next year. 1. Driver's License Renewal, Digital ID Expansion. First up, Alberta is continuing its rollout of the Digital ID and Online License Renewal System. In 2026, more drivers will be able to renew their Class 5, 7, or 4 licenses entirely online, upload a new photo digitally, and receive digital credentials for their phones. Why it matters? No more long lines at registries. However, your physical license will still be required until the digital system is fully approved by federal standards. 2. Higher registry fees and standardized testing costs. After last year's fee increases, 2026 will see standardized pricing across all registry agents. That means you'll pay the same base fee province-wide for license renewals, knowledge tests, and vehicle registration, instead of varying prices between registry offices. Tip: check Service Alberta's official site for the new standardized fee list before your next visit. 3. Vehicle emission and safety inspections. Expansion coming. There's growing talk of expanding Alberta's out-of-province inspection rules, especially for older or imported vehicles. Transport Alberta is reviewing a proposal that would require 5-year safety re-inspections for vehicles over 12 years old, aimed at improving emissions and road safety. Status: still under government review, but strongly supported by the Alberta Vehicle Inspection Council. 4. Graduated license system, full phase-out in 2026. This is one of the biggest changes. The province announced plans to fully eliminate the advanced GDL exit road test by mid-2026. Instead, qualified Class 5 GDL drivers who have clean records for 24 months will automatically get their full Class 5 license. No additional test required. This means thousands of Albertans will finally drop the GDL restriction next year without paying or retesting. 5. Fine adjustments, distracted driving, and seatbelt penalties. Expect small but important changes to traffic fines. As of January 2026, distracted driving fines are set to rise from $300 to around $350. Seatbelt offenses may increase from $162 to $200. Why? The province says it's aligning penalties with other Western provinces for consistency. 6. Commercial driver training, new course standards. For commercial drivers, Alberta Transportation is updating its mandatory entry-level training framework. Expect tighter course hour requirements, mandatory in-yard practical sessions, and standardized instructor evaluations starting early 2026. Good news! Existing Class 1 or 3 license holders are exempt. Only new applicants will need to meet the new MELT standards. 7. Alberta's new road safety app integration. In 2026, Service Alberta will start beta testing a mobile app that integrates digital ID, vehicle registration renewal, and insurance reminders all in one place. Think of it like My Alberta e-Services meets Apple Wallet. This will make renewals and reminders automatic, but you'll need an active My Alberta account to access it. 8. City-level changes, winter parking, and bylaw enforcement. Calgary and Edmonton are both introducing smart enforcement zones in 2026. New digital cameras that monitor snow routes, school zones, and red light intersections. What this means: more automated tickets, fewer warning notices. Double-check your city's app or website for the new 2026 camera zones before driving downtown. So there you have it, Alberta's biggest driving changes coming in 2026. From digital licenses to new fines and GDL removals, it's shaping up to be a major year for drivers across the province. Which of these updates do you think will help drivers the most or cost us more in the long run? Comment below, I read everyone. If you found this helpful, hit like so more Alberta drivers see it before 2026 starts. And subscribe, because our next video will break down how to renew your Alberta license and ID online in 2026 step by step. Thank you for watching.